It's no secret that a lot of people are struggling with traffic and content, with AI and all of those different things. So, I want to talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing to help me be able to drive more traffic. And I'm working this in various stages. So, let me just jump into my computer so I can show you what I'm talking about really quick here. So, the very first thing that I'm looking at is the traffic takeover. I'm going to take you on this journey with me because this is an app that I created to help me stay focused and to help me promote one product for 30 days, whether that product is a community, a toolkit, a digital product, or whatever it is that you're selling. If you have a lot of ideas and have many different tools, messaging is one of the first things that we have to get right in our content, because we can be having a lot of content out there, but if we're not sending the right message, then that's going to cause a problem and it's going to be a bottleneck from the start in our business. And if you're not using AI, then you're doing everything manually anyway, which causing problems too. So we don't want that, right? We trying to minimize it to where we're working on our business and not constantly working in the business. So the message finder right here, as you can see, is where you figure out exactly what your product does, who it's for, and how to talk about it. So that way, every piece of content that you create, it hits the right person. So what you would do first is create a product, and I'm gonna work on my community here, but you add a product and go through a setup process with that product, and then you will have the information that'll be below. However, once you put the product in, it's going to send you over here to the control panel. And this is where you can see information about your active products that you have in here. This software can hold up to 5 products at a time. You can delete them, as you can see, and put more in. So it tells you what the active product is, and it tells you where you are in the process of promoting this product or getting the assets ready to promote this product. So let's go back over here to the message finder because we're in module 1. And while I was doing this, I decided to record myself doing it live so that way you can understand and see what this does and the power behind the traffic takeover. As you scroll down, it's going to give you, when you come here, a pre-populated field. So it's going to tell you about your product, like who is it for, what it helps them do, what problem does it solve. And this is all pre-populated per what you put in the initial product setup. It'll have your product name here. And all you do at this point is you can come in here, you can change things around if you want to, but then you're going to press this generate button. Now, what this generate button does is it's basically running a super prompt with instructions with AI on the back end of this, because that's how I built it, to pull some information for you that you can use, or for myself, that we can use to help us promote our product. So here's what it's going to come up with. It's going to come up with your product's promise for you. So based on the information that you provided, it's going to come up with a product promise. It says here, and you can edit this, right? You can edit it. It says Her Empire Builders is a membership community for non-techie entrepreneurs who want to use AI to automate the repetitive stuff in their business, especially content, so they can stop doing everything manually and actually get their time back. That is true. And that is so good of a promise that I'm keeping it. So you're going to read through these things and find out exactly what you like and what you don't like. The short pitch is wonderful. I put this short pitch, if I was to go to the builders community, I put this pitch right here at the top of my about page because it sounds so good. It made me change my about page, even though that's not what it's for, but it sounded good enough to go there. So listen to this pitch. Her Empire Builders is where entrepreneurs who are done with the overwhelm come to learn how to put AI to work in their business. You get a community of women who get it, plus real training on how to use AI to create content, build systems, and stop trading all of your hours just to keep things running. No tech background needed, just a willingness to learn and grow. No background is needed for you because I'm techie, so you don't have to be. I am a nerdy girl for sure, and I am very technical. However, I can break things down for non-techies in a way that they understand. Now, did I use this whole pitch? No. I broke it down a little bit further because that's not really what it was used for or meant for, but it meant to be used in your marketing. However, in my case and in my situation, I just went ahead and put it here and reworded it a little bit to say her Empire Builders is where non-techie entrepreneurs who are done with the overwhelm come to learn how to put AI to work in their business. You get real training on how to use AI to create content, build systems, and stop trading all your hours just to keep things running. I stopped it right there because, of course, we all know that school has a character limit at the bottom. So we don't want to blow that limit, right? So it was blowing it at first. So I had to shorten it. Now, here's where it's powerful in the messaging. You have your pain points here. So these are the pain points that people are experiencing, your target audience, based on your product. And these are some of the things that they're thinking about. Like, I'm doing everything myself and I'm exhausted. There has to be a smarter or better way to do this. Or they're saying to themselves, I keep hearing about AI, but I have no idea where to start or how would it actually apply to my business and what I'm doing and my products. Or they could be thinking, I'm spending so much time on content and busy work that I barely have time to focus on actually growing the business because they're putting a lot of time doing things manually. And that's because of a lack of knowledge into how to use AI to help free up some time. So these are some pain points. You can change them, you can reword them, you can copy them, you can download them, you can save them. It also hits you with some desires that your customers might have. And it also hits you with benefit bullets. I'm all about the benefits, not the features. The benefits of somebody joining this free community is that they get to automate your content creation so they get to show up consistently online without burning out, connect with other communities of like-minded people, right? Who are building smarter, not harder. They get to learn AI tools in plain language and how to use them. They don't need tech experience. And they get to build repeatable systems that they can put in place for themselves that frees up time for them so that they can spend more time doing things that's important. And they can discover how AI can open up new income streams for themselves as well and keep them ahead in this industry out here in this new AI era. So it comes up with benefits of why somebody should purchase your product, join your community, upgrade to your premium level community or your paid community or whatever your product is. Then it has some calls to action. We have a soft call to action that is basically selling without feeling salesy because some people have a problem or struggle with directly selling. So this gives you something to say so you don't feel like you're selling. So like it's a soft close. It says, come check out the community and see if it feels like the right fit for where you're headed. Like that's not coming across so boldly. But then you have the direct call to action where it says, join her Empire Builders today and get instant access to the community, AI training and systems that will help you stop doing everything manually. Now I'm directly asking. Then you have the urgency ask where it's like, we're in the early founding member stage right now. So join before prices go up or join or purchase before this sale ends. Those types of things. Now, what the great thing is here is going to be a button down here where you can check that the module is complete. But here's the thing. If you're using AI and if you're in the community, especially in the builders community, we work a lot in projects and we build agents. The great thing is I can download this full report, which I just did. This report is in an MD file. These MD files can be saved to your project. So now your AI knows exactly the type of verbiage that it needs to use for this. This is what makes it powerful because everything you create in here, you can save as an MD file and upload that MD file into your AI so that your AI is on track with this product and what you need to do with this product. So when you're writing copy or anything like that, using your AI, you don't have to prompt it every single time. So this is going to save you a ton. Okay. So I hope that this was helpful in managing out the message and helping you hone in that message for your products. It's very important that you do so, or you will have a hard time promoting what it is that you're trying to sell or help someone overcome or anything like that. So in the next video, if you like stuff like this, first things first, I appreciate you watching if you made it this far. If you like stuff like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel because I am about to drop videos on every single one of these as I walk through it. Now, mind you, this product is not up yet for everyone to use. I've built it, yes. But right now, what you're seeing me do is called stress testing it. So I am testing this out with my own real products or community in this case, just to kind of show you how this all works and to see if it can help you in your business. So you can head over and join me in my free community. It's the Builders Community. The link will be in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.